Hello to the Keats-Shelley House. This is Rosie Cavaliero wishing you a very, very happy anniversary. And I'm also sending you masses of love and solidarity from England. We cannot wait for the house to be open again, and I personally cannot wait to come and revisit it as soon as I possibly can. I'm going to read from On the Monument of Dante by Giacomo Leopardi. Yes, love for the ill-starred Italian land, ye generous, be your guide. She to whom pity is dead in every heart, for wretched and most hard are now the days that follow her past joy. May you, by mercy, be with fire supplied to crown the works you wrought. May grief and wrath inspire you for the woe whence Italy is weeping her annoy. But with what praise, or what immortal song shall we extol you, who not merely in thought, but with the genius whence your bosoms glow, sublimest palms shall find in ages long, your land adorning with so high a deed? Unto your souls what lay shall I address, that in your hearts may feed the never-dying fire, and your high thoughts express?